Hello kids! Today we are going to learn about different shapes. Each shape is special and fun. Let's look, spell and learn.
1. Pentagon. P-E-N-T-A-G-O-N. Pentagon. A pentagon has 5 sides. It looks like a house shape. It is a flat shape. All sides can be equal in a regular pentagon. It is used in logos and signs. 2. Star. S-T-A-R. Star. A star has 5 points. It looks like the stars in the sky. We use stars in drawings and decorations. Stars shine bright at night. We also see star shapes on medals. It is one of the favorite shapes for children. 3. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. The opposite sides are equal. It looks like a door or a notebook. Rectangles are used in books, TVs, and tables. It is longer on 2 sides and shorter on the other 2. It is a very useful shape. 4. Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. An oval looks like an egg. It is round but not like a perfect circle. It has no corners. Ovals are found in mirrors and balloons. It is smooth and curved. It can roll like a ball. 5. Square. S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. A square has 4 equal sides. All corners are the same. It looks like a box or a chessboard square. We see squares in windows and tiles. It is a neat and strong shape. Squares are found everywhere around us. 6. Hexagon. H-E-X-A-G-O-N. Hexagon. A hexagon has 6 sides. It looks like a honeycomb. Bees use this shape in their hives. It is also seen in soccer balls and tiles. A regular hexagon has equal sides. It's a cool and clever shape. 7. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It can be big or small. It looks like a slice of pizza or a mountain. Triangles are used in traffic signs. They are strong shapes used in bridges. You can draw many triangle types. 8. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. A circle is round and has no corners. It goes round and round. You can see circles in clocks, balls, and wheels. Circles never end, they go on forever. It is one of the most common shapes. Children love drawing circles. 9. Diamond. D-I-A-M-O-N-D. Diamond. A diamond has 4 sides like a square but tilted. It is also called a rhombus. It looks like a kite. Diamonds sparkle and shine. We see diamond shapes in cards and rangoli. It is sharp and bright. 10. Octagon. O-C-T-A-G-O-N. Octagon. An octagon has 8 sides. It is used in stop signs. Octa means 8. It looks like a circle with edges. Octagons are seen in tiles and games. It is a smart shape with many sides.
Yay! You've learned 10 fun shapes today. Keep practicing the names and spellings. Shapes are everywhere. Just look around. See you soon for more learning fun.